What is the significance of sacred thread ceremony?
Sacred?
Sacred thread ceremony.
Oh. See, in ancient times when people were in a certain level of understanding and experience, somebody created a tool. A cotton thread with certain substances can be energized in a very powerful way. Now, I shouldn't be talking about these things, but see, now I got a little thread on my… this thing. This is in many ways keeps me alive, physically alive, because I'm still subsisting on some other people after the consecration. You should have seen me in about 8 months, maximum of 8 months, I aged about 25 years during the consecration process. Certain period of consecration, about 8 months' time, people just saw me like I'm aging, like so extremely fast. I became, from a very vibrant young person, I just became an old person, absolutely, totally weak and shaky in 8 months' time. My hair grayed completely, my whole body changed, everything happened. Everybody knew anyway I'm going to die shortly. They knew, because I had told them, I had prepared them for this, I had told, this is how much I'm going to live, beyond that it'll not be there. So I used my body, my energy body recklessly, because within a certain time I had to do this. So we used the body so recklessly that the aging process happened like that. Then because of so many things and so many people are so deeply involved with this, and halfway people are there, so we thought we will do something about the body, and we started doing this. And these are… you shouldn't believe all this nonsense that I'm talking, okay? Don't disbelieve it, just see somebody's talking so much nonsense, let me see, start digging deeper into yourself and see if such things are possible. My pranic body, my energy body became so insipid and weak. See, death means just this, please understand. If somebody dies of injury, disease, something else, it's different. When somebody dies of old age, what is happening is, your energy body is slowly losing its vibrance. It becomes less and less and less vibrant. It becomes… the vibrance becomes so low, now it can't hold on to the body anymore. It loses grip on the body. And the person just goes. That's all that's happening, that's what death is. The vibrance of the energy body is charged with certain things. There are so many factors which makes it as vibrant as it is. Now with your pranayama, you're trying to make your energy body very vibrant. So, for it to lose vibrance, it may take longer. This is how we are saying it'll enhance your lifespan, because it makes the pranic body vibrant. So dying of old age means the energy body has lost its vibrance to such an extent that it can't stick to the body anymore, it has to be separated. So my energy body became so weak and so without vibrance, and staying on with the body became a problem, everything aching and my muscles simply tearing. If I just do like this muscle will tear. If I do like this, my muscle will tear. People who are around me were witness to this. Anywhere and everything, if I sit down, one muscle will tear, if I stand up, one muscle will tear, Today, in the last 2.5 years, slowly I'm recovering, I'm still not 100%. This recovery to happen, some people have really given their lives. In many ways, the pranic nadis have been tied outside. It's just like tying a guy wire to your building. Suppose the building is shaky, it's going to fall down, now you tie a cable to something else which is more stable. So like that, your nadis have been tied to certain people who are very stable and there. It's almost like they're literally willing to offer their lives, they're that kind of people. So tying up knots here and there, slowly, I'm improving my body gradually, it's much, much better today. Otherwise, sometimes the doctors checked up my blood and other things, my blood work is so crazy, they couldn't believe all kinds of weird diseases my blood is showing. United States, they check my blood, they can't believe it. Every time they take it, It is showing up all kinds of weird diseases. They say it's impossible that you can have so many things and still be going about and doing things. And now all those things have disappeared and body is much more stable. I'm looking healthy and better now. So this thread is a simple means to tie yourself up to somebody's nadis. Without the thread also it can be done. Thread is an assistance that, it can be done in a certain way. So a cotton thread can be used in certain ways, making certain processes happen. It can become a very powerful means. So your Janivaram, what do you call this? Okay, what do you call it in Hindi or Marathi or whatever? Whatever, the thread, the sacred thread. This started like this. When people were in that level of awareness and experience, they started like this. The Guru energizes the thread and puts it on you, which changes the very quality of your life.
கருத்திலுறும் நற்கனியே